Welcome to World of
The
Suraj.
Oslo Tramway rolling stock. What is the Oslo Tramway? The Oslo Tramway is a tram system in Oslo, Norway, and parts of Baden, Norway. It is served with 6 tram lines. Currently in 2021, there are about 100 stops in Oslo and Bærum. The most westbound is the Lilleakerbanen from Skøyen to Bekkestua. Line 13 and 19 serve the most southern-bound line, the Aspenberg line from Oslo Hospital to Liabru. Current rolling stock. Rolling stock is the type of tram used on the tramway. Currently, in 2021, there are 2 different types of trams, the older SL79 and the newer SL95 trams. SL79 trams are single-direction trams, which means they can be only used in one way forward. So it needs the help of balloon loops. SL95 trams are bidirectional, which means they are usable in 2 different ways. The front and back have driver's cabs. The image on the right explains the driver cab situation in SL95 trams. Former rolling stock. Hestesbergvei were the first type of trams. Operation started from 1875 by KSS or AS Christiania Spørveiselskap. It started with 4 lines and they extended from Homansbein in the west to Gamleby in the east. There was even a horse tram to mark the tramway's 100th anniversary in 1975. The first electric trams started from 1894 by KES or Christiania Elektriske Spørvei. Gullfisk trams were trams with an aluminum body. They started operation from the late 1930s. They were 2.5 meters or about 100 inches long. A fire accident occurred in 1958 in Strømsveien, Vålerenga, Oslo. These trams were no longer used from 1985. Høka SM53 or chicken trams were made starting from post-World War II or the early 1950s. They were needed as a replacement for the small twin-axle trams and aluminum modern Gullfisk. They were used from the 1950s to the year 2000. Newer Høka trams, SM83, were also used. SM91 trams, first created as M25 in Gothenburg, Sweden, were the last type of tram fleet taken out of service. They served for almost 2 decades from 1982 to 2001. They were removed because of an accident in 2001. Future rolling stock. The new SL18 trams will be made by the manufacturer CAF. It's making its trams from the Urbis 300 type and will be replacing the SL79 and SL95 trams. They were first delivered and unveiled at Grafsen on 12 October 2020. It will have USB ports and low floors. There will be 87 new SL18 trams by the end of 2024. That is more than the current fleet of 72. The Fremtidens Byreis program is led by Spørveien Ruter in Oslo Commune. Fremtidens Byreis means future city travels. Bibliography. Image bibliography. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.